The Ramp Vendor Portal makes it easy to track payments, manage details, and connect with your customers. Here's how to get started. If your payer requests payment or tax details from you, you can respond to these requests without a vendor portal account. Click on the link to easily share details. From here, after sharing details, you have the option to sign up for a vendor portal account in order to store, manage, and share your details with other customers. The other way you can create a vendor portal account is by receiving an invite from a Ramp customer requesting you to sign up and join Ramp's vendor network. Keep in mind that access links may expire, but you can self-service request a new one within 2 weeks of the request being sent. You can create your account using Google or by creating a password. Following this, you'll be taken through account setup. Enter your business details. Allowing your profile to be discoverable enables customers to connect with you on Ramp's vendor network and automatically share your payment and tax details, helping you get paid faster. If you aren't discoverable, customers will need to request these details from you each time. You can choose to set up two-factor authentication for security. Once setup is complete, you'll land on your vendor portal dashboard. Here you can finish setting up your profile. In receivables, you can track payments and send invoices. And in vendor profile, you can manage bank account details, tax details, and documents. Any details you add here are only available to customers if your profile is set to discoverable. You set the detail to be public, and you're connected to that customer. Here you can invite teammates to manage payment and tax information. Get started with Vendor Portal to connect with customers and make it easy to get paid.